I often get asked, was I ready for this? I can tell you I absolutely was. I prayed about this, talked to my wife about this, knew exactly what we were going to do. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is McKellar, and I am the new owner of Tile Source here in Dalton, Georgia. My hope for you is that you have an outstanding experience through the entire process, whether it's tile, whether it's countertops. I tell people all the time, because there's so much tension and people get overwhelmed when they're looking at all these things, and there's so many things, and I try to tell people, listen, let's focus in on some stuff, but this is supposed to be fun, smile. We're making your home beautiful, we're making it yours. You know, this is an exciting process. My personal feeling is that your home is a reflection of your personality, your relationship, and who you are. So we want to really dig down and find out who you are, and so we can give you the best advice possible.
I met Lee probably 5 years ago, and we met because he was moving to town and didn't really know anybody here, and who he was working with just was a friend of mine and said, hey, I need to find this guy a place to live. And so we immediately hit it off right away. He is the perfect fit for owning a tile source company that also understands customer service, the professionalism, the combination of information that he has available to him, and just his instincts are incredible when it comes to understanding what the customer needs, understanding the materials, the thing that the customer wants most, and communicating that well. He's the best I've ever seen.
We have invested in the parcels and buildings of land that are next door to our current location. We're going to renovate that space, and that's going to be our new showroom. We're going to have a dedicated design center. Then we're going to have a huge retail space. We're also, where we are now, that will become a warehouse facility, and that's also where we'll have the area for our tile discount, or what we'll call the tile outlet. The northernmost property is going to be our new fabrication shop. So we're going to be bringing in some technology that is going to help us get through the fabrication process much quicker, faster, and easier, so that we're able to decrease our turnaround time for countertops. What I want people to know is that we're going to listen to you, we're going to love on you, and we're going to serve you, no matter what.